This is the Delta Homecraft bandsaw. Purchased it on Craigslist and had to assemble some components there, find a motor and wire in a switch, and I'm pretty happy with it. Won't call it a restoration, it was more of a cleanup. It's in really good shape, especially when you consider it's 50 years old or more. Spent a lot of time looking, tweaking. I think it looks and sounds good and it works good. I like how it breaks as soon as I turn it off. Wasn't sure if that belt was going to coast or not, but the tension seems to do the job. There's my Delta Homecraft bandsaw cleanup project.